What is it, Daisy Mae? What is it, big girl? Yep, that's my dog. Check out the iced over pond. And we are going to, let me slow down. We're gonna go down that way. And we're gonna go have some fun. We're gonna pop off some rounds, chill, relax, shoot a couple nature videos like this one. But yeah, like I said, we're getting ready to head down that way, cross a creek, head down a little bit more, and I'll film some more when we get down there. I think you're gonna really enjoy it. Right now she's enjoying that pond. Wish you could have seen it yesterday. Yesterday she was in there batting at something, who knows what. But alright, well, we're gonna head out for now. Light snow right now. Who knows, maybe it'll pick up and we'll be in for some interesting stuff, but I'll catch you here in a little bit.